another video. I am so excited. So go ahead and grab your coffee or your water and let's get into what I'm getting my daughter in her boo basket. All right, so before I get started and showing you guys, I am giving this boo basket to my toddler at the beginning of the month. Just because I want her to play and use these items within the month. I know some people give it on the 31st, but I'm actually going to give her a different kind of basket that I'll show you guys in another video. Since I don't actually give my toddler candy, so I will be giving her a different basket that we'll be switching out after we either trick or treat or she just gives out candy. I don't know what she wants to do yet. We'll find out. I am gonna ask her though. So let's go ahead and get into what I'm getting my baby girl. All right, so let's start out what I got at Target. So at Target, I actually saw these in the spot section. I did already wash it, which is why it already kind of looks raggedy. But this is kind of like a poncho blanket for her. She loves cats. My sister-in-law actually has a black cat, and this is like a perfect height weight size for her and her little hoodie. She's going to absolutely love this. She's going to be walking around saying I'm a Mishi, which I'm so excited for. She's going to love it. I can't wait to give it to her already. But she loves her cats, so I got this. Again, it was only $5, and they actually had a lot, which I was really surprised that they did. But I got this guy. I hope they have them for other holidays because this is really cute. And then also at Target, I picked up this guy. So this is a create your own Halloween magnets kit, which I thought was so cute. It has googly eyes and everything. Yeah, I'm so excited to do this with her. She is so hands-on now and loves doing like activities and wants to help me do things. So I'm excited to do this. This was $5 at Target. I'm so excited. Anyways, so then on Amazon, yeah, I'm trying to keep it a little bit, organized. I did pick up a big kit of Vampira. She actually loves this show. But she also met her at Disney, so now she really loves the show. She said I gave her my hand and we took a picture. I'm like, yes, you did. Yes, you did. So I got her big kit. I am separating it for the boo basket and also for what I'm going to give her on actual Halloween. But yeah, she really likes her. So I got the big one from the kit to put in the boo basket. Now let's jump into Dollar Tree. And two things at Walmart. I did show you guys this in another video. But I got her some glow stuff. I haven't seen the glow sticks at Dollar Tree, so hopefully they'll have some and I'll just pick them up for like next year. But this year I didn't see any, so good thing I got these at Walmart. This is a headband and this is a necklace. She does like these, like when we go to the pumpkin patch and stuff like that, for when it gets a little bit darker. Again at Dollar Tree, we're not going to decorate the windows, but we are going to decorate the bathroom doors that we have in our house. Since they are like shower doors. So I think this would be great for that. This one's cute, pumpkins and bats. This one's like a witch hat. Happy Halloween and ghosts. Beware. I think she's gonna have so much fun putting these on the windows. Then I got these. You guys know my daughter absolutely loves these books. She thinks they're so much fun. They are really, really cute. They come with like the stickers and the faces, and you can just make whatever face you want. Absolutely love that Dollar Tree even has these because they're obviously very affordable, and she absolutely loves them. So we did get her two of these. At Dollar Tree, my husband actually picked this out, and this is a foam craft kit, and it actually comes with 6. So you can make 6 little witches. We're gonna make them a little bit different, and yeah, my daughter's gonna absolutely love this. She actually loves witches, so we're gonna go ahead. She actually wanted to be a witch before she decided she wanted to be Spidey, the girl Spidey. So she actually has both costumes. So we'll find out what activities we end up doing where she wears both, one day and one another day. But yeah, she's so excited. That costume actually lights up. So we'll see which one she ends up being. But yeah, we ended up getting her this one. I saw this at Barnes & Noble and I automatically was like, yes, I need that. My daughter absolutely loves these. If you guys seen any of my other videos, you guys know I love these busy books. They come with like the paper kind of like backdrop kind of thing, and then it comes with a whole bunch of little characters. I did see these also at Costco for $10. Not this specific one, but Nightmare Before Christmas if you guys are interested. But yeah, I absolutely love these. She really much enjoys these. She really likes the movie. She's so weird. She either really wants to see the movie or she says, I don't want to see the movie. It's too scary. Or she'll literally just want it in the background and sings This Is Halloween throughout the house. So yeah, but she knows this movie and she likes it. So yeah. And then last but not least, at Five Below, I had to get these. They're so cute, and she loves her little stuffed animals. So I got this one. This is Referral. Hello, hello. I thought it was super duper cute. He has a little pumpkin right here. They didn't have it in my store in particular, so I ended up having to buy them online, but I don't mind that. Also picked up Sally and Jack. I think she's trying to break in my room. Okay. I also picked up Sally and Jack. They did have Jack in an orange outfit, but I really wanted it to be the OG outfit. So she's going to absolutely love and be so excited for these. So we got both of these, all three of these for her. I'm so excited. And then at Five Below, I did, yeah. Five Below, I did show you guys that I got this basket. So I'm actually going to put it inside here. And since I'm giving it to her at the beginning of the month, it'll be fine since I'm going to put probably the Halloween candy in here as well. So, yep, let's go ahead and fill up my daughter's boo basket for this year. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this guy first since it is the bigger item. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this since it is the more sturdier, I guess you could say, item. All right, guys. Let me just start throwing things in there, right? Let's go through the books. Not trying to make anything too crazy and pretty since, again, it's all going to come out anyways. Let's get one side. Put the cuter things. This little guy. It's gonna basically cover everything. Just kind of just put it like that. And put this kind of behind it. Oh, I need to take that off. That looks ugly, right? Let me know, guys. Does that look ugly? Because I think I am gonna go ahead and take that out. And then we'll throw in Boo. Boo Zero. Why do I always want to call him Boo? And then Sally can be right here. And we'll put Jack right back here. This one, you can kind of see a little bit of everything. Yeah, I like that. It looks really, really cute. She's going to be so excited. All right, so that is my Toddler's boo basket. All right, I took out the sticker. It looks so cute. I absolutely love it. All right, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave this emoji if you are still here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy spooky season. Bye, guys.